Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I'm going to show you how to make the freehand tool smoother. If you have it set pretty low and you go to your freehand tool and you draw this line, it's pretty rugged and you've got 21 nodes. Well, if you go to Tools, Options, and down to Tools, now this is only a 19 to get that way, and let's run this to 100. Now let's draw that same line, or close to it, and look how smooth it is, and I've only got 4 nodes. Now, in 2018 and above, or below, you go to Tools, Options, Toolbox, and there's your freehand right there, and then you can change this to 100. So they've changed it up a little bit. They put the tools underneath their own category in 2019 and above. So just go to Tools, Options, and Tools are right here. They're trying to make it simpler, but people get a little upset and can't figure out why they're doing things. But maybe in the long run, once you get used to it, and I'm already used to it, that's what you use. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.